Dear valued customer, greetings on our Adventum Tech instructional tutorial episodes. And today we'll talk about how to set up your K-Thermocouple for Adventum Tech's TempSense 3 Plus to perform your concrete monitoring. So we'll take the wire from the end, the one that has to be input inside the concrete. The second end goes into the sensor, and we will measure 3 centimeters. We will mark it right in the middle for 1.5 centimeter distance, and around 1.5 centimeter distance we will clean off the isolation. So we'll get 2 wires, one is white and one is green. So now from each wire we have to peel off 1 centimeter. And again, we want to do it super gently. 1, 2. This is what we get in the end. 2 steel thermocouple nodes sticking out. So now we take each of them and spin it around without just twisting it, just twisting white threads and now twisting green threads. And now we have to connect them together and twist in between. So now we've prepared, it's that simple, we've prepared the thermocouple to install in our casting. Last thing, we have to isolate the edge. For that, I would recommend to use a thick Scotch tape, industrial type of Scotch tape. Make sure you isolate it completely and no water gets to the actual monitoring part. That's it. It's that simple. Enjoy your monitoring. Stay tuned.
Measuring the invisible.